Hello everyone. Today we are going to open up and take a look at what I got in the mail today. It's a LionVII elastic belt and it ratchets. We have instructions that came with it. They tell you how to adjust it and how to measure and cut it to fit you. As you can see, it is stretchy, pretty durable. Now, it does have you can cut it and adjust it to fit you. Just pry up the buckle, pull the buckle off, and then you cut it to adjust. Slide the buckle cam back in, clamp it, and it holds tight. Now we'll put it on. And all you gotta do is push it in. Hole, and it holds. It ratchets itself in. Has an extra loop you can put it in. I haven't cut it and adjusted it fully to me, but it gives you the idea. And there you go. And then it's got some stretch to it, so of course sitting in a long car ride, it's going to feel good to sit down and not pinch you like most belts do. And it has a little button to release that pulls it back off. The button's just right here, and it just easy, quick release. And that's it.